Welcome to the Holtmeier shop. Today I'm doing a full service on a A40G Haul Truck.
Holtmeier moves the earth.
Today I'm doing a full service on this machine. All the fluid changes, including the engine oil, fuel filters, oil filters, all the breathers, engine air filters, and the cabin air filters. And also checking it over for the season to make sure it's good to go. So the first step in bringing a haul truck in to the shop is opening up the hood, checking the hours, making sure everything is due for a service. Then I start draining the engine oil while it's warm. It's got a fancy hose to drain it. The engine oil is draining, I change the oil filters. Then I'm gonna replace the oil filters and put on new ones. And after that, I will start changing the fuel filters. Once I install the fuel filters, I have to prime them. After the fuel filters, I move on to changing the air brake desiccant filter. Once the oil's done draining, I will fill it up with 11 gallons of oil. Then top off with the engine coolant. Then I install both new engine air filters, the inner and the outer filter. And then start up the truck, make sure everything's good, watch my gauges. give it a quick walk around, make sure nothing's leaking. And that's how we do an oil change on a haul truck at Holtmeier Construction.
Holtmeier moves the earth.